Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Shanti. आज सतगुरुवार के दिन. Today, the day of the Sadguru, दीदी के निमित्त, especially for Baba and in honor, on behalf of Didi Manmohini, Bhog was offered. And I reached the subtle region, carrying the Bhog for Baba and Didi Manmohini. The decoration in the subtle region today was very different. Normally it is decorated with garlands of flowers, but today just as you have stars in the constellation, what I saw was a constellation of stars all around the subtle region. Very beautiful light was emanating from all the stars, and it was as though the entire subtle region was sparkling. After a while, from a distance, I saw there was a globe of light, from which appeared Baba. As Baba came closer, along with the globe, within the globe, along with Baba was Didi Manmohini, and as they came closer, की तरह स्टार्स दिखाई दे रहे थे, तो वो हर एक स्टार में से दीदी की अनेक प्रकार की विशेषताएं. As they came closer, what I saw was that from the stars that were decorating the subtle region, specialities of Didi appeared, and all the specialities came together as a garland around Didi's neck, and Didi was decorated so beautifully. So Baba asked, "Child, did you see how beautifully that Didi is decorated today?" So I said, "Yes, Didi is looking very beautiful." For many days, all of you have been listening to the specialities of Didi Manmohini, and you've been experiencing her through those specialities. So the children today are also expressing their specialities of Didi. Didi picked up all those garlands of the specialities and offered them to Baba. So, and said, "This is what Baba has taught us, this is what Baba has given us. He's the one who has enabled all of this to happen. He is the one who does everything." And I have just continued to have very good experiences in Baba's love. Baba was smiling and said, while doing everything, Didi always kept herself incognito. It is within that good incognito efforts that she attained a lot. And then Baba asked me, "Do you know where Didi went today?" So before I could ask, Baba himself asked me, "Do you know where Didi went today?" I said, "Didi must definitely have gone to meet the Brahmin family." Baba started to smile and then said, Didi did go on a tour of all the centers in Bharat and foreign lands, and she also gave special inspirations to contact souls. All those who were close to Didi were especially remembering and having experiences today. Baba then showed a scene. There was a very beautiful lab, a laboratory. There were many angel-like souls, the advanced party souls, Dadi, the founding members of the Yajna, all those ancestor souls were sitting there. From a distance, what I saw was a circle, the globe of the earth, the world.
जैसे कोई रॉबर्ट ऊपर गया है या कोई ऊपर आसमान की ओर गया है, नीचे वो एक रिसर्च रूम में बैठे.
So it was though they were sitting in a research room, in like a control room, and as though they've sent out a robot or some kind of instrument out there, and they were checking it from here.
जैसे हमारी नई दुनिया परफेक्ट होगी,
They were seeing.
दिखाई देगा.
So what could be seen was the new world, the future world, and how perfect it will be. In that research room, there were separate sections made. In one section was written Sthirta or stability.
तो उसमें लिखा हुआ था स्थिरता और साथ में लिखा
And along with that was written
समानता.
Samanta or
जैसे वो
equality, being equal.
तो वर्ल्ड ग्लोब के ऊपर कभी-कभी वो
As more attention was paid on those qualities,
जो उसकी लाइनें थी, कभी ऊपर जा रही, कभी नीचे जा रही.
then there was an effect on the globe of the world. There was some fluctuations, some lines appearing on it. In the second section was written, complete with all the maryadas. In all the maryadas, the codes of conduct. The more attention that was given on that, then
सर्कल जो लाइट के थे, वो लाइट के सर्कल क्या होता था कि आधा आधा कटता जाता था.
the circles of light around the globe of the earth, and there were some breakages in that circle. On the third section was written in this research lab, equal to the Father, and the fourth was perfection in all aspects.
आज दीदी और एडवांस पार्टी वाले पूरे ब्राह्मणों के पास जाकर के
So Didi and the advanced party were going to all the Brahmins today and looking at each child's inner stage, and then they were having discussion amongst themselves about when these children are going to become perfect, when will that new world of ours come quickly.
दीदी को कहा बताओ.
Baba then told Didi, what is all this? What are you doing?
बाबा को कहती
So Didi smiled and then said, Baba, why don't you share? So Baba said, Baba explained, till now there isn't stability in the children's thoughts. Sometimes they're stable, sometimes they're not. So that affects the creation of the new world. So keep your thoughts very stable, make it very firm, make your thoughts so perfect. So within the creation of the new world, each child, each Brahman's cooperation can be used and the task can be completed quickly. And secondly, no matter what happened, Didi's specialty was that she never became slack in following the codes of conduct. We have to be complete with all these maryadas. Didi said again and again, everyone should pay attention to the codes of conduct of the Brahmin life. They will create the laws and systems of the new world. These maryadas are the reason that will make us perfect for the new world. So Baba explained that it's not, the maryadas not only give you success now, but as you move ahead, when you see all the fearsome and the frightening scenes of the end time, the different forms of Maya that will come to disillusion you, you will be able to be safe from the attraction of those different forms of Maya. So maryadas are the means of keeping you protected. They are your protection. So everyone should pay special attention to the maryadas. And then thirdly, Baba explained, in the golden age, all the souls will be complete with all virtues, 16 celestial degrees complete. So what do you need to do now? The children have to continue to check that there should be unity amongst yourselves. You only speak of each other's virtues and churn only on the virtues, and that's how you'll become equal to the Father. The time is to become perfect. These situations will come to make you perfect and will give you inspiration to become perfect, and they will help you move ahead. So pay attention to this. So all the advanced party souls made a circle around Baba. Baba was giving each one drishti. I then placed the bhog tray in front of Baba. Baba said, this child, Didi, used to first feed Baba the bhog, but today Baba wants to feed Didi. So as Baba opened the bhog tray, Didi was giving very sweet drishti. Just as Didi used to pay special attention to Madhuban, Didi then said, Madhuban is everyone's beloved home. It is treasure store of power. It is the place to attain all attainments from the Father. So the children come here and experience so many things. However, let there never be any lessening of the love for Baba. Maintain firm faith and hold on to the Father's hand as you move ahead. Baba then fed the bhog to Didi, and then Didi fed Baba the bhog and all the advanced party souls the bhog. Didi said, we are all waiting for you. We are all with you and we're waiting for you. Time is telling us that we have to return home quickly. Baba then said to Didi, everyone has sent remembrances for you, so what will you give them? There are many who have seen you, many who have not seen you, so what gift will you give all the children? Didi smiled and said, there was a crystal kind of item in Didi's hand. It was very transparent. So Didi said, tell everyone, tell the children that Baba's remembrance is such, Baba's love is such, that makes every child transparent. In order to become transparent, remain clear, keep your intellect clean at all times, maintain a very clear connection with the Father. So this crystal gift was given to everyone. Just as you have glass, so sometimes when you look at glass at different angles, sometimes a person looks big, or small, or fat, or thin. So Didi explained, there's only one way to check yourself. Remember that the Father is my everything. I have all my relationships with one Baba. So experience Baba through all relationships. Otherwise the intellect will wander here and there. And then you'll see different forms in this crystal and different forms of your own self that you may not like, others will also not like for you. So always maintain clarity, transparency. Baba is your world, Baba is your everything. I have all my relationships with one Baba. This will help you see everything very clearly in front of you, and you will be transparent. Everything will be clear and transparent for you. Baba then gave remembrances to everyone, and I then returned. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
आज
Today,
बाबा के पास वतन में भोग लेकर के
I reached the settled region to offer bhog to Baba.
आज जाते ही
As I reached there,
बाबा को और सभी दादियों को
I saw Baba and
विशेष रूप
all the
से
daddies in the settled region,
दीदी को तो बाबा ने इमर्ज
and
किया था,
especially Baba had emerged
पर
Didi in
बहुत
the settled region today.
संगठित रूप में दादियां दिखाई दे रही थी,
And all the daddies were gathered together in the
जैसे
settled
कि
region as if
सभी सखी बन आपस में
they were conversing with each
रूहान
other
कर रहे
like
थे,
friends today.
कुछ वार्तालाप कर रही थी।
They were engaged in
मैं
some
जैसे
sort of
कि
conversation.
नजदीक पहुंची
As I reached near Baba,
तो बाबा को दीदी को कहा
I told Baba and
कि
Didi,
मैं आज आपके लिए भोग लेकर के आई हूँ।
I have come to offer bhog to
सभी
you
ब्राह्मण
today.
परिवार के भाई बहनों की याद प्यार लेकर के आई
I've
हूँ।
also come on behalf of all the brothers and
तो
sisters,
बाबा
Brahmin brothers
कहने
and
लगे
sisters, to convey their
भले
remembrance to you.
सद्गुरुवार का दिन है
So today is Thursday,
और
the
विशेष
day of
दीदी के
Sadguruvar,
निमित्त भी ब्राह्मण बच्चों की याद
and on behalf of Didi
और
too,
भोग वतन में पहुंचा हुआ है।
many bhog
तो
daddies
जैसे कि
for Didi has also
सभी
reached
दादियां
the
बड़ी
southern
दादी भी
region
थी,
today.
दीदी भी थी, अन्य सभी
So there
दादियां
was
थी।
Didi and many elder
तो जैसे
daddies in the
कि
southern region.
सभा देख सखियों का रूप देख
I was seeing this
आपस
gathering,
में वार्तालाप कर रही
and
थी,
they were conversing to each
आपस
other,
में ऐसे सुनाई दे रहा था
and I was
कि हम
able to
लोग
hear
कब तक
that
इस प्रकार अव्यक्त रूप से भ्रमण करते
how long
रहेंगे,
should we be in the Avyakt
ब्राह्मण
form,
बच्चों के पास चक्कर लगाते
how
रहेंगे,
long should we be
सेवाएं करते
going
रहेंगे।
around to
इस
do
प्रकार
seva,
की
service to
बातें
all the Brahmin
रूह
children,
रूहान के
and how
रूप में
long
चल
should
रही
we be like this in the
तो बाबा भी
Avyakt form.
दादियों की
So
बातें
they were
सुनकर
conversing about this topic to each other.
एक सेकंड
So Baba
बाबा
also
सुन भी
heard
रहे थे।
this for 1 second.
बाबा
Baba was
फिर कहने
listening
लगे
to this, and then
कि
Baba said,
बच्ची इनसे पूछो
child, ask her,
कि सभी नीचे क्या करते हैं।
what are the Brahmin
तो मैं तो
children
चुप हो गया,
doing
अभी मैं तो
down?
क्या बोलूंगी बड़ों के
So
आगे,
what can I
बाबा और
tell?
दादियों के आगे।
What should I be telling
तो
in
बाबा ने
front of
एक
the elder
दीदी का
daddies and
दृश्य दिखाया।
Baba? So Baba
दीदी का
emerged a
दृश्य
scene
था
of Didi.
कि दीदी कहीं भी जाती थी,
So Didi, whenever
चाहे
Didi
भंडारे में भी
goes
जाती थी,
anywhere,
कहीं सेवा
whether
पर भी जाती
she
थी,
goes to the kitchen
तो
or
अपने
to do
साथ
any sort of service,
कुछ भाई बहनों को ले जाती
so
थी।
Didi would take
यदि
few
भंडारे
brothers and
की तरफ भी
sisters
गई
along with her. If she
तो
goes
दीदी के
towards
पीछे
the
झुंड
kitchen,
चलता था,
so there would be few brothers and
भाई
sisters
बहनें
that would
चलते थे।
accompany her to the
तो
kitchen.
बाबा कहने लगे
Baba said,
कि जिस प्रकार साकार में
in the Sakar form,
दीदी कहीं भी सेवा अर्थ जाती थी,
wherever Didi went
तो
to service,
दीदी के साथ भाई बहनें जाते थे।
along with Didi,
तो
many
उसी
brothers
प्रकार
and sisters would go
दीदी
with her for
सभी को
service.
उमंग उत्साह भी
And in the
बहुत
same
दिलाती थी
way, Didi would encourage
और
each
आगे बढ़ने
other
की, आगे
and
बढ़ाने
help
की
them to
बहुत
progress
प्रेरणा
in
देती थी औरों
their
को।
Brahmin life.
तो
And Didi
दीदी
would
कहने लगी
inspire
कि
others to progress
अभी वो
in
सब
life.
इतनी बातें नहीं होती हैं, वो बाबा भी
Baba
देख
said
रहा है,
Baba is seeing that
दीदी
such
भी
things
देख
are
रही है।
not happening. Even
तो
Didi
जिस
is
प्रकार
seeing
दीदी ने
this
लास्ट समय में
towards
अपनी
the end
स्थिति एक रस बनाई,
made
अब
her
घर चलना है।
stable.
कोई भी बात में एक ही रट लगा के बैठी
So,
थी दीदी।
in all aspects,
तो
Didi had just one
जब दीदी
goal,
ऐसे सुना रही
that
हैं,
is to go back home.
तो बाबा भी दीदी की तरफ
So,
देख रहे हैं। तो दीदी
Baba
कहती
was
है
also
कि
looking at
हम
Didi
लोग तो
while
आपस में
Didi was
चर्चा
telling
कर
this.
रहे हैं संगठन रूप से, पर अभी भी कई ब्राह्मण
Didi
बच्चों
said
को
we could converse with
अभी
each
भी
other
उपराम
about different topics.
अंत का समय,
But Didi said that
अंतिम नजारे
many Brahmin children
अभी
now,
भी दिखाई नहीं
they are
पड़ते,
not able to see where the time is
इसलिए
flowing.
पुरुषारत नहीं कर पाते
That's
हैं।
why they are
दीदी
not
बाबा की
making
तरफ
efforts.
देखते हुए कह रही है।
So Didi was
तो
looking towards Baba,
दीदी
and
कहती बाबा
Didi
आप
said
ही कुछ
that.
करो और
Didi
इनको कुछ
said,
प्रेरणा दो।
Baba, you do something.
बाबा कहते
Give
हैं
them some
कि
sort of inspiration.
दीदी को
Baba
कि
said,
मैं तो बच्चों को हर प्रकार से समझाता हूँ,
I try to make
ये सारे
children
बाबा दे रहा
understand
है,
in
पर
all
बच्चे भी
different
अपना
ways.
यथाशक्ति
But
यथा योग्य
children,
अनुसार
according to their own power
पूरा समझ
and
पाते
according
हैं,
to their
कोई नहीं
power of
समझ पाता
yoga,
है।
some are able to understand,
तो
and
जैसे
some
कि
are unable to
दादियों की
understand.
महफिल एक तरह से लगी हुई
So
थी
on one side
और
there was
बाबा भी
gathering
उनके
of
बीच में
daddies,
बैठी हुई थी,
and
बाबा मम्मा भी।
Baba and Mama
तो
was
बहुत ही
sitting
सुंदर
in
जैसे कि
between
एक
this
दरबार
gathering. So it was
वतन
like
की
a very beautiful
बाबा ने
court
इमर्ज
was
की
formed
दिखाया।
in southern region
बाबा
today.
भी कहने लगे दीदी
Baba
को
said,
देख
looking
कि
at
आज तो
Didi,
विशेष दीदी चारों तरफ से ब्राह्मण बच्चों की
from all the four
एक ही
directions,
आवाज दिल की पहुंच रही है दीदी आपके लिए।
the inner voice
और
of Brahman
ऐसे लग
children
रहा
is
था कि
reaching
वतन
certain
में आज
regions today towards
बहुत ही
Didi,
सुंदर सुंदर भोग की थालियां
and many beautiful folk
बाबा के
tallies
नजदीक और दीदी के नजदीक पहुंची हुई
was
थी।
reaching towards
तो
Baba
बाबा ने कहा
and
कि
Didi.
दीदी पहले
Baba said,
आपको खिलाया जाए या
first,
बाबा पहले स्वीकार करेगा। तो दीदी ने कहा
you
नहीं,
will
बाबा
take the
पहले
bowl
आप
or
स्वीकार करेंगे,
you offer the bowl to
पीछे हम
me.
सभी सखियां
Didi
को आप
said,
खिलाएंगे।
first, Baba,
तो
you
बाबा ने
receive the
पहले
bowl,
जैसे
after
कि
that
भोग की
we,
थाली
all the
पर
daddies will
दृष्टि डालते हुए
take the bowl.
कहा कि आज
So
तो
Baba
जिस
gave
प्रकार
दृष्टि के
साकार
भोग।
में भी दीदी को
said in the
खाने
साकार
का और खिलाने का
too, Didi was very
बहुत
much
शौक होता
interested
था और थोड़े से भी
in
भाई बहने
preparing
होते
food
थे
and feeding
तो
others.
झट दीदी पिकनिक का भी प्रोग्राम
If
रख
there were
लेती
only
थी।
few
तो
people,
भोग की थाली की तरफ देखते हुए
Didi would make plans
दीदी
for
बड़ी मीठी
picnic.
दृष्टि से मुस्कुराती हैं।
So
अन्य
Didi was
दादियां भी
listening
बहुत
to this
प्यार
and was
से
smiling.
भोग की
All the
थाली की
other
तरफ देखते
daddies
हैं।
were also looking
तो
at
बाबा
both
ने
thali.
जैसे कि भोग पहले स्वीकार किया
So Baba first
और दीदी को भी सबसे पहले
accepted the
खिलाया।
bowl and then offered
दीदी
bowl to
को
Didi.
बाबा ने कहा कि दीदी आज
Baba
तो
said,
आपके
"Didi,
निमित्त है, पर आपकी सखियां भी
so
वतन
today's
में
focus
इमर्ज है तो उनको
on
भी
behalf
बाबा
of you.
खिलाता है।
But
तो
all the
ऐसे
other
लग रहा था कि
daddies
आज
have also
वतन में
emerged today.
बहुत ही सुंदर दृश्य था
So today's scene was very
और
beautiful.
बाबा ने सभी आदि रत्नों दादियों को जो इमर्ज किया
And Baba
और
had
इमर्ज
emerged
करते
the
ऐसे लग
daddies
रहा था
and the
सभी
initial
के
jewels of Yajna.
सिर के ऊपर बहुत ही सुंदर एक कहीं तेजस्वी प्रकाश
And
में
immediately
ताज बाबा ने
there was
उन
very
सब दादियों को
beautiful
पहनाया हुआ था।
crown that
बाबा ने कहा कि ये बच्चियां
was
मेरी
on all
भविष्य
daddies'
में
head,
हौवनहार
that emerged
महारानी
on all
महाराजा बनने
daddies'
वाले हैं।
forehead. And
बाबा
Baba
इनका
said
वही
that
आदि
these
स्वरूप
are the future
अनादि
emperor
स्वरूप
and empress.
आज वतन में देख रहा है
So Baba was
क्योंकि इन
seeing
बच्चियों
their
ने
initial form and
विशेष
their deity
शुरू में
Satyugi
जो
form.
त्याग तपस्या की है
They have done lot
बाबा
of
उन दादियों
sacrifices
का दादाओं का
in the
उस
initial
स्वरूप देख
time
रहे
of
हैं।
Yajna. So
तो
Baba
जैसे
was
कि
looking
बाबा
at
ने
their
और
original form today.
इमर्ज किया
So Baba emerged that
तो दीदी
scene
को मैं
today.
कह रही हूँ कि दीदी आपको सुनाएंगे सभी
Baba said
बाबा
to
के
Didi,
बच्चों के
would
लिए।
you like to say
तो
something
दीदी
to all
बड़ी
children?
मीठी दृष्टि से
So Didi gave beautiful this
देखते हुए कहती है
this
कि
Drishti,
सभी बाबा के बच्चे, ब्राह्मण बच्चे, अभी लास्ट समय चल रहा
and
है,
Didi
लास्ट
said
समय
time
का।
is moving
बच्चों
towards
के
the
आगे,
end.
ब्राह्मण बच्चों, भाई बहनों के आगे वो दृश्य मर्ज होते रहना
So the
है
seed should
और
emerge in
उसी
front of
अनुसार
all the
पुरुषार्थ
Brahmin
करते
children,
रहना है,
and according to
क्योंकि
that
समय
they
बहुत
should
नजदीक है।
make their effort,
समय
because
आने के
time
पहले
is really less.
आप ब्राह्मण बच्चे
Before
तैयार हो
the time
जाएं,
comes, the
क्योंकि
Brahmin
आप
children
ब्राह्मण
should be
बच्चों के
ready.
लिए नई दुनिया की तो
For you
तैयारी है ही
Brahmin
फुल,
children,
पर
you'll have to
पहले आप बच्चे
prepare for the
एकदम
future world
परफेक्ट और
as well.
संपूर्ण बन जाएं।
But before the
उसी
time
आशा
ends,
में
you should be
हम
complete
दादियाँ
even in
वतन
disguise.
में बीच बीच में इमर्ज होते
That's
हैं
why we
और आपस में
daddies
उसी रूप
emerge
में
in front of the
रूहान
subtle
करते हैं।
region in
तो
between
दीदी
and
जैसे कि
engage in
सभी
conversation
ब्राह्मण परिवार
about the
के
progress.
भाई बहनों को इमर्ज करते दीदी ने और बाबा ने,
Emerge those Brahmin
अन्य
children,
दादियों ने भी बहुत बहुत
Didi,
सभी ब्राह्मण
Daddy
बच्चों को,
and
चाहे
Baba,
देश को चाहे विदेश के बच्चों को, भाई
give very,
बहनों
very
को
loving
स्नेह
remembrance
भरी
to all
बहुत
Brahmin
बहुत दिल की
children
याद प्यार दिया। बाकी
in
तो कई
India
बाबा के
and
बच्चों का भी
also
भोग
the double foreigners.
वह भी याद दी और
And
बाबा
I
ने भी
also
उन्हें
gave the loving
बहुत
remembrance
बहुत
of all
स्नेह
the
भरी
Brahmin
याद प्यार
children,
दी, याद प्यार सभी के
and
प्रति
I
देते हुए
took the loving remembrance
ओम शांति।
and then came down here. Om Shanti.
दीदी की यादें आई जब आया मास जुलाई, दीदी की यादें आई जब आया मास जुलाई, दीदी दादी की जोड़ी वो जा सकती नहीं भुलाई, स्नेहिल आँखियाँ भर आई। दीदी की यादें आई जब आया मास जुलाई, आया करीब जो भी सम्मोहित कर लिया था, दीदी मन मोहनी ने हर मन को मोह लिया था, संपूर्ण समर्पण होकर हर नाता तोड़ लिया था, दृष्टि से जादू करके बाबा से जोड़ दिया था, वो पालना वो प्यार गजब का सबने महिमा गाई, दीदी की यादें आई जब आया मास जुलाई, दीदी दादी दो दे एक जान सभी कहते थे। सूझबूझ सम्मान एकता एक ही बन रहते थे। रमणीकता गंभीरता बालक मालिकपन का संतुलन सबने देखा दीदी में लौर लाका। निर्भय निश्चिंत रही वो थी सच्चाई सफाई। दीदी की यादें आई जब आया मास जुलाई। दीदी मस्तानी गोपी सार्थक नाम किया है। तप त्याग पढ़ाई सब में पहला स्थान लिया है। आदर्श विद्यार्थी का जब भी नाम लिया है। बाबा बाबा कहकर बाबा का काम किया है। अब घर चलना कहती क्या करके दिखाई। दीदी की यादें आई जब आया मास जुलाई। दीदी दादी की जोड़ी वो जा सकती नहीं भुलाई। स्नेहिल अखियां भर आई। दीदी की यादें आई जब आया मास जुलाई। दीदी की यादें आई जब आया मास जुलाई। स्नेहिल अखियां भर आई। स्नेहिल अखियां भर आई। स्नेहिल अखियां भर आई।